Darren here and Coach Steve.
Hi.
Today we're now going to cover how to do a quicker axe kick. Okay, because there's two ways to do an axe kick. We're going to do an axe kick as if we're delivering a front kick. So hopefully the person gets used to us delivering a front kick, and then we're going to switch it up into an axe kick. So this is what I mean. There's two ways to do an axe kick. If you miss it, put the pads like this. Okay, from here you can do like a slight bend in your leg, and you can do like a straight one, push, and drive it up and down. Okay, from here, the places where you aim with an axe kick is for full contact. You hit with the heel, and you're driving the heel down collarbone, middle of the face area for here, chest plates, okay, and that here. Okay, and you can also start using it for knocking the person's guard and clearing it out of the way and coming down for setting up other techniques. Okay, so from there, and the way to deliver an axe kick as well is for the power, is you want to make sure you get used to delivering it forward with your hip. So watch this guy. I'm going to keep my chin down, my hips are going to go forward, I swing my leg up as high as I can, and then I allow gravity to take my leg down, but I also use my hips into the technique as well. So push, and then I drive it so it's going straight down to the floor. These are some bad habits, okay, from here, especially for beginners, they tend to do this a lot, that you go like this and you swing it back. So that means all the energy is going that way. Okay, so simply, because you want to imagine you're breaking something and you want to go down through that. Okay, if you're doing light contact or semi-contact, then lots of the times they'll hit with the sole of the foot, just the flat. Okay, they'll hit with the tight edge. So if I just kind of like tap this one pad, I'm going to like high five over my toes, like that. Okay, that's more lighter contact. The other way that you can do it is you can flex your foot like that, still aim with the heel. So if you get the heel, great. But if it's slightly out of reach, just have the sole of the foot as well, so you get a little bit extra distance with your foot. Okay, so that's the basics mechanics of an axe kick. So the other axe kick that we're going to do then is bring it up like a front kick. So bring it up like a front kick, you pivot the back foot, it comes up, and then what we do, because this is a real fast motion, you can get this up quicker than you can do that. Okay, from here we kick the leg straight. Here, kick it straight, drive it over like an arc, and then drive it straight down the middle. Push, and then do exactly the same thing. Okay, now from here, we go back to front kicks, okay, which is today's lesson. From here, you go front kick, so you have this, start the chamber. That's the only difference. I make it go slightly to the outside. If I went front kick, then deliver it like that, yes, you can get away with it, but it takes a bit longer to deliver. They might notice this hip turn. So from here, I'm going to go front kick, Miss is going to change over the pads, and then I'm going to do the axe kick. So you go front kick, axe kick. Okay, so we get that motion here. So we get front kick, chamber's going to be the same, but now I slide it up and over in. Okay, so if Miss got her hands up, let's imagine from here. Look at that front kick. Maybe from here, wherever she's trying to do like a backhand parry, so that backhand's coming down to try and move it. Now she tries, bang, this comes straight down. Because she's got used to seeing this, and then I shifted it up, and then I'm going down that gap. Okay, on there. So that's how you can put an axe kick in with a front kick. You can put it in with punches in that as well. So you could be punching away, yeah, jab, and then put this together as well. You can disguise it with a jab, bring it in like a front kick, and then come straight down with the axe kick and that as well. Okay, that has been your front kick and axe kick. Yeah, keep training at home, guys.